Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can unlock your OPPO K13 Turbo without password. So, as you can see, our device is locked, and what to do now. There is a method how we can unlock this device on our own. But let's discuss a few things. Please only try to unlock your phone, in no other case someone else's, because it might be considered as a crime, and that's also unethical, so have that in mind. When it comes to the second thing, you need to remember that all of our data will be lost, because we need to perform a factory reset through the recovery mode. And because of that, all of our data will be erased permanently from our device. I'm sorry, but that's the only way. And the third thing is that even when you decide to erase everything, during the setup process, after the reset, the phone will want you to type, and you will have to log in into the Google account that you were logged in before the reset. So have that in mind before you do any steps. So now what to do? We need to power off our device. You can see that the screen lock is actually set. And also I will tell you that I was performing this method many times, and it always works. So that's my experience. We need to power off our device. Let's click the power button and volume up button and select the power off. Let's wait a few seconds. And now, to enter the recovery mode, we need to use the two button combination. We need to hold the power button and volume down button at the same time. And when the OPPO logo appears on the screen, release the finger from the power button, but keep holding volume down, just like that. Keep holding both of the buttons when you are turning the phone on. And now release the finger from the power button, but keep holding volume down. We need to hold for a few seconds. Okay, now I know that you can see barely nothing. Now we are in the recovery mode. We need to select the language that we want to use. To move around this menu, we can use the volume keys, and when you have selected the option that you want, click the power button to confirm. But you can also use your fingers. And now select format data. I know it's really dark, but I hope you can see it. Select format data. Now type this code that you can see under my finger using your keyboard. That's basically the last moment where you can quit, because if you type this code and click on format, the deleting process will start. So have that in mind. And now type the code using the keyboard, and in here we have the format button under my finger. Click on that. Now the process has started. Click on OK on the bottom of the screen. Now the phone turned off, and within a few seconds it will be turned on automatically. And the next thing that we need to do is to set it up. Remember that you will have to log in into the Google account that you were logged in before the reset. Okay, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.